You're not addicted to scrolling because you're lazy. You're addicted because you have no stronger replacement. And that's the real problem. If all your free time is spent consuming other people's lives, your life will stay small. But the second you start building skills, your mind changes. That's why this matters. Pick a hobby that gives you power, not just pleasure. Learn AI tools. Use them to work faster, think sharper, solve more. Lift weights, not just for muscle, for discipline, for control, for proof that you can do hard things. Read biographies, study people who failed, adapted, and won. Borrow their blueprint. Play chess. Train patience. Stop reacting to life emotionally. Try combat sports. Learn pressure. Learn control. Learn how to stay calm when it gets uncomfortable. Write your thoughts down. Clarity comes when chaos hits paper. Go outside. Walk in nature. Let your brain breathe. Teach what you learn. Because the moment you explain something, you find out if you really understand it. Learn negotiation. Learn public speaking. Learn how to think. These skills change how people see you and how you see yourself. Edit videos. Build online. Create something valuable. Not just content, a real asset. Here's the shift. Don't try to do all 13. Pick 2 or 3. Stay consistent. Get good. Then level up. Because growth doesn't come from watching. It comes from doing. Scrolling makes you entertained. Hobbies make you dangerous. Start with one today, not tomorrow. Today, comment build. If you're done consuming and ready to create,